What's up, everybody? Today we have a very special opportunity to review and tell you a couple things about these fantastic Viking bags. Here we go. These bags look fantastic on my 2017 Dyna Lowrider S. Look how those turned out. Holy cow, the fitment is perfect. It doesn't get any better than that. And the mounting procedures are extremely easy. Only thing you have to do is take this bolt out, unbolt your blinker, replace the blinker, put the new bolt that's already provided, and it's just that easy. These bags do also have a quick release feature. What to do to release the bags is flip up this handle here. After you release the handle, just give her a little wiggle, and it comes right off. Installation of the bag is easy as slide it on here. Make sure they lock down on both sides, just as so. Open up the bag, grab your lever here, close it. Seal it back down. Now you're ready to ride. Just to recap, I can't tell you how extremely excited I am to ride with these bags wherever I go and how easy they were to put on. These bags are fantastic. They look fantastic, and you can't tell me that those aren't the best looking bags on the market right now. Check them out, vikingbags.com. Get you a pair.